Hi, now I'm gonna explain how I came up with the style of my logo, brochure, and business card. So now let's start off with the logo. So I came up with this style because I just wanted to look like a simple and elegant style ng logo, and this is very self-explanatory na I just use my initials like Charles Mike and then use my name for the brand as Charles Mike dun sa gitna, and that's it. So now with the business card, this is the front. I just use the picture that I took in my Instagram. It's just a salamin na ginagamit ko usually, and dahil lang lagi ko siyang ginagamit, so I think suit siya na maging front page ng business card ko. Identity na siya ng brand ko as Charles Mike. And then ito naman yung likod ng business card. I just use the logo that I created and then my name dun sa may shades, kasi I just want to include na I'm a digital creator, so I just put my contacts para makita ng mga tao na makakita ng business card ko na madali akong i-contact and I'm a digital creator. So ayan, nandiyan lahat ng links ko. So very accessible lang, and the design was very simple lang din and crisp. So that's it. So yeah, this is the mock-up of the business card. Kasama na din yan yung logo kasi hindi ko na lang ginawa ng mock-up yung business card. I think hindi naman na kailangan yun doon. Pero ito yung business card na mock-up. So the last one, which is the brochure, stick lang talaga ako sa color scheme na black, white, and gray. So ito yung part ng brochure ko where I share my knowledge about fashion and how I can encourage the Gen Zs to increase their level of confidence, kasi yun na yung brand ko eh. So yun, nandiyan na rin yung logos ko, yung contacts ko, para madali lang malaman ng audience na I'm a digital creator, and also Pinterest board. Andiyan na lahat ng mga details about how to use accessories and tote bags, styles, pins. And then nandiyan na yung part na andiyan na yung about. So styles, why you have to know me as a brand, because you know, nilagay ko na lang dyan na my brand will make you inspire how things in a daily basis become aesthetically pleasing look. So yun na mismo yung identity ng brand na pinaportray ko sa brochure, sa business card, and also sa logo. So in-include ko na rin dyan na I'm a living Pinterest board that can be your daily inspiration for lifestyle, fashion, and aesthetics. So that's it. So ito din pala yung mock-up nung brochure. And ayan, I just love how it came out. So yun lang, yung style lang ng brand ko mula logo hanggang sa brochure is just Gen Z style and Instagram aesthetics. So that's it.